in today's video, let's talk about CIMB na siya daw ay the Philippines 2026 Best Digital Bank. Yun yung sabi niya sa website niya ha. Why do we want to talk about digital banks in your channel kung online loan platforms yung pinag-uusapan? Dahil kung meron kang CIMB, which by the way, na-download po sa Google Play Store at sa App Store, so don't look for the loan products ni CIMB. Look for CIMB PH. Kung meron kang ganito, kalimutan mo yung OLA. Dito ka umutang. So, kung gusto nyo malaman more about it, kasi ilang beses ko na itong nilapitan, kasi whenever I need big amounts na pwedeng monthly yung bayaran at mababa yung interest, if you wanna learn more, keep watching. Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's Atened here at online loan platforms po, yung pinag-uusapan natin dito para mabigyan ko kayo ng heads up kung okay ba itong lapitan o hindi. This video is not sponsored. It is based on my personal experience. So matagal na akong may CIMB account, guys. Nakilala ko siya actually kasi years ago. Charot! Nakatanggap ko ng text na pre-approved na ako for a Revi credit. Na-intrigue ako kasi bago rin siya dati. Siya yung provider ng GCash na G-credit, by the way. So sabi ko 30,000 pesos yung pwede nyo ma-approve. So I activated it, nag-download ako ng CIMB app at doon nagkaroon ako ng Revi credit. That time, 30,000 pa lang yung maximum na pwede niyong ipahiram. Ngayon, with CIMB, pwedeng magkaroon ng Revi credit up to 250,000 pesos na revolving. Para siyang credit card without the actual plastic card. Almost gano'n na rin because yung interest niya can be as low as 1%. Wow, grabe. Maliit na yan. Mababa yan ha. Depende yan sa individual credit assessment. Kasi yung magkano man magiging offer mo initially, ano man yung magiging available product sa'yo, term, interest rate, depende po yan sa credit history mo at kung ano ka as a borrower. Simply putting it that way, guys. Anyway, so like I said, itong si Revi Credit, itong si CIMB, meron po siyang Revi Credit. And paano magkaroon, ano yung kailangan, requirements, how to activate, we'll get to that later. Because I want to talk about the product that's inside Revi Credit. Oh, ano ba yan? The product inside the product inside this product. Charot! So, itong Revi Credit na to, which is a feature or a product of CIMB, meron siyang ino-offer na term loan. So, depende na yan. Depende sa credit limit mo at the time na available siya. Depende yung magkano magiging term loan mo. And back then, I was offered 40,000 pesos na pwede kong i-term loan. Okay, kasi yung credit limit ko with CIMB is 100,000 pesos. And depending on usage, guys, nag-change siya. So, baka pwede siyang bumaba, pwede siyang tumaas, depending on how you use it. And yung Revi Credit, mong credit limit, you can transfer it as cash. Yung 40% yan, pwede mong i-transfer as cash. And for the rest, you can use it as bills payment. But yung mas maganda kaysa sa transfer cash, kasi cash advance yun eh, which kailangan mong bayaran every month yan. Kasi meron siyang billing cycle na fina-follow. So there's a due date, there's minimum amount due, which I suggest wag nyong gawin. And then meron siyang total amount due. Pero pag binayaran mo yan, good standing yung account mo, tuloy-tuloy yung paggamit. This one is tied up with your credit limit on what's available. So dati nakapag 40,000 akong term loan sa kanya and natapos ko siyang bayaran at nag-term loan ulit ako. Mas mababa siya ngayon dahil konti na lang yung natira sa aking credit limit at the time na nag-apply ako. But anyway, yung kagandahan nito is because pwede siyang monthly. You can choose to pay it in installments up to 12 or 24 months. Interest as low as 4% or even lower, depende na yan sa individual account holder. Yung sa baba gives you an idea kung magkano yung magiging monthly mo based on the indicative interest. Pero before mo yan i-confirm, meron kang last page na titingnan kung saan makikita mo yung loan disclosure. Everything you need to know about the loan, yung summary bale. So kung sure ka na, then you just need to send, mag-OTP ka or mag-verify ka at receive mo kaagad sa CIMB mong account. So dun siya mapupunta sa either sa savings account na nasa CIMB. And from there, you can do whatever you want. Pwede mo siyang i-transfer sa GCash or another e-wallet or another bank account. Pero mapupunta siya initially dun sa CIMB para walang fees. Yung maganda dito kasi monthly po yung babayaran. So, hindi siya tulad ng transfer na or cash advance na fina-follow yung due date, yung billing statement mo. Ito, split siya into monthly installments. But of course, for you to have this term loan na to, kailangan meron kang Revi Credit at kailangan meron kang CIMB. And hindi po siya automatic kasi meron po siyang requirements. Para magkaroon ng Revi Credit, guys, simple lang. If you're eligible, you're gonna receive a text. Especially if gumagamit ka ng products like yung iba yung products, GCash na G-credit or last pay later kasi CIMB din yun. If meron ka ng mga ganun, there's a high chance na magkakaroon ka ng offer ng Revi Credit. But if wala, just check your dashboard. If you have a CIMB account, and you have to be an active user. Paramdam ka kasi sa bank na nag-i-exist ka para magkaroon ka ng offer. Sinasabi ko lang yan in layman's terms so you get what I mean, but actually you need to have good credit history. So nakikita dapat ni bank kung paano ka mag-handle ng mga financial activities mo, yung ganon. We'll see this where it tells you that you can get up to 250,000 na revolving credit with the Revi Credit feature. And then just click apply for Revi Credit and follow mo lang yung prompts at in a few seconds, ma-activate mo na yung credit limit mo. It's all subject to final assessment, ha, just so you know. Need to be existing CIMB bank customers only. So, hindi ka magkakaroon ng Revi Credit kung wala kang CIMB na account. O, ayan. So, wag niyong hanapin si Revi Credit, hanapin niyo si CIMB PH. I-download niyo yung app, yung banking app, bale. Revi Credit is offered to pre-selected CIMB customers. Yun nga, paramdam ka. Handle well your G-Credit. Handle well your other products na pinoprovide niya, like the last pay later, yung ganon. G-Loan, i-handle nyo yan. Kasi pag nakita nila na, good payer ka pala sa mga ganon, baka magkaroon ka ng offer. Of course, you really need to have a CIMB account. 21 years old and you should not be older than 65. So, 21 to 65. And applicant must be a Philippine citizen and a non-US person. So, at the time of applying, dapat nandito ka siguro sa Pilipinas, no? Siguro, if meron ka ng existing, gumagana siya sa labas ng Pilipinas, in some Asian countries. Kasi na-try ko siya sa places like Taiwan, na-try ko rin siya sa Korea, gumagana naman siya. But I think at the time of applying, dapat nasa Philippines ka. Applicant must have a mailing address and active Philippine mobile number. That's self-explanatory. And you should have a minimum gross income of 10,000 pesos. O hindi siya kasing strict ng ibang bank, tulad ng ibang bangko, at least 10,000 pesos na minimum income niya. Income documents may be required for validation purposes. So be ready with that. So, everything you need to know about the status of your Revi Credit account or magkakaroon ka ng offer or kung pwede mo siyang may activate, you will see that sa dashboard mo mismo within the CIMB app. Yung interest can be as low as 1%. Sad to say, yung sa akin it's 4%. Maybe nakikita niya medyo high risk ako because I have a number of loans already. So, marami na po akong mga videos na na-create regarding ditong CIMB Revi Credit na feature na to. If you want to see an old video kung paano ako nagkaroon ng invite at paano ko siya inactivate, you can check this one. And if you want to see my previews na mga term loan transactions, you can also check this one. And if you want to see other loan apps na legit, then this is the playlist that you need to go to. Anyway, for this video nga pala, I'm wearing contact lenses. Ayan o. Parang magic. Parang magic. For this video, I'm wearing a pair of contact lenses from EO. At ito po ay Sienna. Nabili ko via Shopee. That's why meron tayong product link dyan in case you guys are interested because this one is from EO Optical. And you can choose either plano or walang grade or kung may grade man, available din. There's a wide range of choices. But for this video, I'm using Sienna po. Ayan siya. My product link is right here. I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!